Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up Jupyter Notebook in Visual Studio Code. Jupyter Notebook is a web-based integrated development environment that's used for creating applications for data science, scientific computing, and machine learning. So to get started, you have to install Python and VS Code, and I left a link in the description that covers that, as well as an info card. So to install Jupyter Notebook, let's go here and click on Extensions. And then in here, search for Jupyter. And then click on Jupyter Notebook by Microsoft and click on Install. Next, we'll create a notebook, which is a file that will hold your code. So let's come here and then type the > sign and then type create. And you should see create new Jupyter Notebook. So click on that and you see that we now have a markdown created. So let's go here and save this. And you can save it anywhere in your computer. So I'll just call this main. And that will save it with the Jupyter Notebook extension. So if you already have Python installed, you should see the Python version here. But if you don't, you will see a text titled kernel. So you click on that and then you can select your Python version and that will connect Python with the notebook. Next, we'll write some Python code. So let's go into cell and then type print and then quotes, and then in the quotes type hello world. Click on the run button next to the cell. And if you see a message that pops up, just click on install. And once the kernel is installed, you see that it prints out hello world. So we can create multiple cells. So over here at the top, click on code. And then you can see this creates another cell. So I'll just have this read a different message. I just have to say hi. And then you can just run this cell exclusively. And you see that it prints out that message. Next, I'll show you how to use GitHub Copilot, which is an AI tool that you can use to generate code. So to have this working, you'll need to make sure you have a GitHub account. So let's go here and click on generate. And then here you can type whatever prompt that you want. So I'll just have this say generate a scatter plot. And then go ahead and click on that to dispatch it. And you see that Copilot went ahead and generated some code based on that request that I entered or prompt. So you can go ahead and click on accept. And then as long as you have this library installed when you run this program, you should see some results. So I'll go ahead and install this package and then I'll have that running. So let's go here to new terminal and then I'll install the matplotlib package. So just type pip and then install and then matplotlib and hit enter. So now that the installation is complete, you can close the terminal and then come here and hit the play button. And then you see that when I scroll down, you can see that I have a plot.